Hey, Dachshund lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something every Dachshund owner should know: IVDD prevention. IVDD, or Intervertebral Disc Disease, is a common spinal issue in Dachshunds. But the good news is that with a few lifestyle changes, you can help protect your little buddy. Stick around, because we're diving into IVDD, why it's common in Dachshunds, and sharing a full list of prevention tips that can really make a difference. All right, let's start with a quick explanation of IVDD. You might have heard about it before, but what exactly is it? IVDD is a condition where the cushioning discs between the vertebrae of the spine start to break down or even rupture. These discs act like shock absorbers, so when they weaken, it can lead to pain, nerve damage, and sometimes paralysis. And while it can affect other breeds, Dachshunds are particularly prone to it. Dachshunds' adorable long bodies and short legs are part of what makes them so charming, but this unique shape also puts extra strain on their spine. Imagine a row of books stacked on a table. If you start to pull the middle books out, the whole stack wobbles. In the same way, if any of these spinal discs weaken, the entire spine can become unstable and painful for your pup. So how can we help prevent IVDD in our Dachshunds? Prevention is all about reducing unnecessary strain and keeping their spine strong. Let's go through a full list of tips and tricks to help keep that long body healthy and happy. Tip number 1 is to manage your Dachshund's weight. Carrying extra weight puts a lot of pressure on their spine. Dachshunds should be trim, with a visible waistline and a slight tuck-up behind the ribs. Overfeeding or too many treats can add pounds quickly, so talk to your vet about the right diet and portion size for your pup. And when they beg for snacks, think about using vegetables like carrots or green beans. They're low-calorie treats that many dogs love. Dachshunds are surprisingly athletic and love to jump, but each jump adds stress to their spine. Jumping onto or off of furniture, especially repeatedly, can increase their risk for IVDD. Invest in ramps or pet stairs for their favorite spots, like the bed or the couch. Train them to use these ramps and try to discourage jumping, even though we know they love to be a little mischievous. Using a harness instead of a collar is a must for Dachshunds. Collars put pressure on their necks and constrain their spine, especially if they pull while walking. A harness distributes the force across their chest and back. Look for a harness with a padded fit and multiple adjustable points to keep it snug and secure. Just like people need regular health checkups, Dachshunds benefit from seeing their vet regularly. Regular vet visits can help detect early signs of IVDD or other spinal issues. Your vet might suggest supplements like glucosamine or fish oil that can help support joint and disc health. As Dachshunds age, these supplements might be especially beneficial to keep their spine strong. Exercise is essential to keep your Dachshund in shape, but not all exercises are ideal for their unique build. Choose low-impact activities like gentle fetch on flat ground or short walks. Regular exercise helps build muscle that supports the spine, which is especially important as they get older. Just avoid activities that involve a lot of twisting or rough play, as these can stress the spine. If you have a puppy or young Dachshund, training them to use ramps and avoid jumping from a young age can really pay off in the long run. Ramps can feel strange at first, so use treats and praise to encourage them. The sooner they learn, the more natural it will feel, and their spine will thank them as they age. Even with all these preventive measures, it's important to know the early signs of IVDD. If your Dachshund shows signs like reluctance to move, limping, whining when picked up, or arching their back, it could be a sign of spinal discomfort. Contact your vet immediately if you notice these signs. Early intervention can make a big difference. Finally, mental stimulation is a great way to keep your Dachshund happy and enriched without physical strain. Toys like puzzle feeders, snuffle mats, and safe chew toys can give them plenty of entertainment. They're smart little dogs, so mental exercise is just as important as physical exercise. So, there you have it, a complete guide to IVDD prevention for your Dachshund. Remember, while there's no guaranteed way to avoid IVDD, these tips can really help reduce the risk and give your Dachshund the best chance at a healthy, active life. From diet and exercise to ramps and checkups, a little bit of prevention goes a long way. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to stay tuned for more Dachshund tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any tips or tricks for keeping your Dachshund safe and healthy. Thanks for watching, and give your little buddy an extra belly rub from us.